So now we will do question number 7. So what is the question? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. You have to evaluate. You have to find 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta. First of all, what we have to do is, you have to draw a right triangle. A, B, C. Okay. We know that theta opposite is perpendicular. This is base and this is hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now, what is given in the question, we will try to take the help of that. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So you know the formula for cot theta. I already gave in the previous videos. You can see that PVP HHB. So first one is sin cos 10, then cot. Cot is the reverse, B by P. That means base by perpendicular is equal to 7 by 8. What is the base? What is the base? BC. Base is BC. What is the perpendicular? AB. 7 by 8. That means BC is 7 and AB is 8. Therefore, BC is the base, is equal to 7K. K means constant. And AB is equal to 8K. AB is your perpendicular. One side we don't have, and that is AC, that is hypotenuse we don't have. So you need to find the hypotenuse. How to find? By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, what is AB? AB is 8K. So 8K square plus what is BC? BC is 7K. So 7K square. Now next line. AC square is equal to 8 into 8 is 64. 64K square plus 7 49. 49K square. Next line, square will become square root. 64 plus 49 is 113. 113 K square. So next line, AC will become root 113 K, because 113 is a prime number. It will not come out. Okay, so you know now AC is 113. Okay. Now next one, what you are asked to find? 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So let's find over here. This is Roman number 5. Now we have all the three. The measurement of all the three sides are here. Now we can find it out. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus, what is the formula for sin theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Same here, P by H. So I am writing in short. 1 plus, what is the formula for cos theta? B by H, base by hypotenuse. Same here, base by hypotenuse. Now 1 plus, what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB. What is the hypotenuse? AC. Okay. Same goes with 1 minus AB by AC. Next line, 1 plus base. What is the base? BC. BC by, what is the hypotenuse? That is AC. AC is root 113, or you can write like that. Base is BC by hypotenuse is AC. 1 minus BC by AC. Next line, 1 plus, what is AB? What is the measurement of AB? 8K by, what is AC? Root 113K. K and K will get cancelled. Next, 1 minus, same thing, 8K by root 113K. So K and K will get cancelled. Next line, 1 plus BC. What is BC? BC is 7K by hypotenuse same 113K. K and K you can cancel it out. Next, 1 minus the same thing 7K by root over 113K. K and K you can cancel it out. Next line. Now you have to take LCM, or you can do it like this: A plus B, A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus 8 by root 113 whole square. Next one, same thing: A plus B, A minus B. A square minus 7 by root 113 whole square. Next line, we have to move to the next. So 1 square is 1, and let's move over here. 1 square is 1 minus 8 square is 64. Root 113 into root 113 is 113. So 64 by 113. Next, here also same: 1 square minus 7 square is 49 by 113. 1 minus 49 divided by 113. Now take the LCM. 113 is the LCM. 1 into how much? 113 minus 64. They also same. 113 minus 49. 113 can be cancelled. So 113 minus 64 is how much? 49. And 113 minus 49 is how much? 64. So this is your answer for the first one. Now let's move for the next one. Second one. Sure. Second one, what is the question? Second one, what is the question? Cot square theta. Cot square theta. So cot square theta, cot theta, you have the value 7 by 8. So directly we can use this one, 7 by 8 whole square. That is 49 by 8 is the 64. So this is your answer. Okay.